Now let's look at the other one, which is loading an Excel file. So that one is here. Okay, so for loading an Excel file, we use a different function. So first, let's get our link. Let's get back to the repo. There's the Excel file, start.excel. So click and then come to right click and copy the link. Now you know the drill, right? So we are loading an Excel file now. So to load an Excel file, you need to get the file. For us, we are loading from GitHub. So I'll say link to, or let's say Excel link, or you can use the Excel file because you paste the link there. You run it, and then when you are loading, let's say df4 equals, you say pd.read_excel, and then you specify your Excel file. So let's execute this command. So we will load it now. So with Excel files too, the beauty with Pandas is that for Excel files, if you have multiple sheets, you can load them. Anyway, I'll cover a detailed tutorial on how to load Excel files. So in those tutorials, I'll show how to manipulate Excel files with multiple sheets. So this is just for the start. So we'll look at that. Okay, so it has been loaded. So I'll say df4. And I have it here like this. All right. So here we see unnamed. There's a statistics, all right, that I obtained from one of my Pandas tutorial videos. Okay, so it's the same data I loaded here, this one, but I did some basic statistics. That is what has been saved in that other file, the Excel file. So I have the count, mean, STD, min, max, all right. So if you want to get basic statistics, I have a tutorial on that as well. So instead of the description box, you'll find link to the tutorial that shows you how to get some basic statistics from Pandas data frames. So that will show you how to generate stuff like this. Okay, so this is it. So again here, you can set the index, all right. So here we can see count, mean, so we can set the index. This time I'm going to use the second approach because we have already loaded it. So I'll just say df4 set, or let me just use the first approach rather. So I'll just load it again. I think that will be better. I'll copy and paste, and then I'll just say comma index underscore core equals 0. I'm loading, and then I'll use the first column as index or row names. Okay. So row names or index, they refer to the same thing here. R uses row names, Pandas uses index. All right. So the first column will be used as the index. So I can run this command again, and then when I run it and I query for it, df4, now this becomes the index. All right. Now with indexes, if you want to check, you can just say df4.index or the data frame of interest. So ds4.index, that will give you the list of indexes. All right. So any of them should be fine. All right. So that is it.